Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your deductibles with the Philadelphia Insurance Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your deductibles with the Philadelphia Insurance, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the login section at the top right of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up link to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy Management section of your dashboard. Select the relevant policy for which you want to reset the deductibles. Look for a tab that says Deductible Options or Modify Deductibles. Click on the tab to view your current deductible settings. Review the available options for deductible amounts. Choose your desired deductible by clicking on the appropriate option. If prompted, provide any necessary information to confirm your choice. Next, review the adjustments to ensure that everything is accurate. Click the Submit button to finalize your request for the deductible reset. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your changes are being processed. Check your email for any correspondence from the Philadelphia Insurance regarding your request. If you have any questions or concerns during this process, reach out to customer service through the support section. Allow a few business days for the changes to take effect on your account. This concludes the process for resetting your deductibles with the Philadelphia Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.